Okay guys, I just want to catch up with what we're talking about this morning in the meet about the DAX. Just flick this over. Bollocks. Give us a second while I pull it in. Okay. There we go. Help if I put the right screen on. I'm going to kill this off in just a second. It's coming in now. Want about 100 quid. And it also follows up with somebody that asked earlier on, Luma, about holding trades for a day or whatever. If I look at this, I've already done 189, but I'm looking for 200 quid. Flick this back. It's there now. So I'm going to see if it'll push into this target. Now, I'm going to drop it into 5 minutes to see. It's starting to buckle now. Bang. Out. Right. So I'm out of the trade. Okay. So that'll have finished that off 278. I'm quite happy. As you can see, it's buckling. There it is there. It's pushing away. Yes, this is spread out and it could slam down. I could easily get the money that I'm after, but I could easily lose the money as well. Now, if I look at the bigger picture, this is the bit that I want to sort of bring it to, and this is part of the conversation that we had. We did the higher time frame fib, which gave that 50. It went to the pip on that 50. That gave me the sign that this was going to be selling off. I had to wait for the news because the news was going to be a little bit naughty. So I let the 10 o'clock news get out the way, and then I just ran it through to the afternoon with an indication that this thing would push back on itself. Why? Because it came underneath this level here, held, dropped into, you got a new fib, which was off that move, which had broke the 23, and then I was just planning on it going to the 38, and that's what I've done. Executed the trade. Very, very simple. Paid me quite well. That's all I do. Every day. Just do the same thing. Ka-cum. And it's not a magic system. Most people think it is. It's not. It's a way of reading the charts objectively. Then I couple that with having a good target set up and a monetary view. And once I'm paid, I quit. That's it. I'm done. Don't get me wrong, I get caught. Sometimes I get caught really badly. But overall, I make money. And that's what this is all about. So there you go. So that's just for the guys in the squad. And I just wanted to follow up what we were talking about this morning. And so that conversation started, well, I started looking at it at 7 o'clock this morning. We were talking about it sort of 8:30, 9 o'clock. And then here we are coming into 5 to 2 and I finished. So it was a long time to get the money, but I was paid. So as always, guys, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.